Your head is the most vulnerable part of your body, so you want it protected during outdoor sports games and activities. The best tactical helmets provide head protection without compromising comfort. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tactical helmets on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tigris Mich 2000 Stylatch Tactical Helmet. This Tigris Mich 2000 helmet looks similar to a real advanced combat helmet, ACH. I unscrewed all the random stuff, then placed my ACH cover over this helmet, and all my friends believed it was an authentic piece. I tried this for my airsoft game, and it works well. The helmet stayed put and didn't bobble around as I was running around the area. What's great is how my low-profile goggles fit best with this lightweight tactical helmet, as I need to protect my eyes during the game. I found 2 adjustable straps on both sides, providing enough adjustments to fit my head and chin perfectly. My favorite part is the interior padding, as it offers a nice cushion from head blows. I accidentally ran through a pine tree branch, and fortunately, I wasn't knocked over. Moreover, the helmet doesn't get too hot even when I play in humid weather conditions, thanks to its above-the-ear, 8 design. It's pretty similar to a Kevlar helmet, except it's plastic and easier on the neck during long hours of use. Because of the side rail, I can mount my favorite over-ear headset and camera to film my airsoft game. Number 2. Hyatt Fast Base Jump Helmet. This Hyatt helmet would be excellent head protection for adventure sports. My head felt secure with all the padding, and the chin straps contain 4 attachment points to customize the size to different head shapes. I found some Velcro pads all around the helmet, perfect for fitting my favorite glory patches. There are also rails to make room for my GoPro cameras and lights. Besides, my goggles fit perfectly on the helmet, leaving no gaps for the airsoft BBs to get through. The fact that this helmet includes an NVG mount makes it a nice companion for night hunting. The NVG mount feels very tight and stays put while on the move. Additionally, this helmet also fits my M50 airsoft mask without any problem. The entire construction feels pretty solid, and it'll probably provide adequate protection from head bumps. I had only suffered a few nicks and scratches when a rock was thrown at me. Putting the pads and other parts together was easy because the package comes with fitment instructions. Number 3. Lugu Airsoft Helmet. This Lugu helmet isn't only perfect for airsoft games, but also for other outdoor activities, like hunting and climbing. My GoPro works well with this helmet to film my activity while enjoying adequate head protection. The ABS shell is quite sturdy from the impact of BB bullets and twigs. Thanks to the adjustable straps, my 12-year-old nephew can wear this helmet perfectly. Besides the adjustments that make this helmet comfortable, the lightweight construction at 1 pound makes it even easier on my neck. Moreover, I love the tan color because it hides well in the woods, making the helmet suitable for hunting. My favorite is the mask that came with the helmet. The cloth mask is long enough to cover my entire neck and secures well with the chin strap. I also found some good Velcro spots on the helmet for my glory patches. When I attach name tapes and identify friend or foe, this helmet looks like a replica of a real ballistic tactical helmet. Number 4. A Airsoft PJ-type tactical fast helmet. A Airsoft is a great alternative to getting a military tactical helmet and sliding goggles, all in one package. I like that this helmet is compatible with my GoPro action camera and night vision goggles, NVG, for that perfect adventure outdoors. The visor is great on this one as it provides adequate eye safety and doesn't scratch easily with its hexagonal patterns. Also, I can put patches and other small accessories on the fast helmet setup. It is possible to mount flashlights to the helmet's side with its railings to see clearly in dark places. I love how the glass fits securely in between the visor's gap and my face. It's pretty secure. The glass is plastic, but it should protect me from sand or any debris just fine. It can also probably handle about 450 to 550 FPS max. My head is small, and the helmet fits snugly using the adjustable straps. I have taken multiple hits to the dome during a shooting game, and all I heard was a loud thud and felt nothing else. Also, this helmet comes with a nice wallet tool to keep credit cards. Number 5. A Airsoft Adjustable Maritime Helmet. When I was reading the Shellback Tactical Helmet review, someone recommended a Airsoft. I've worn a lot of helmets, and this maritime helmet is one of the best in terms of sturdiness and comfort. The Halo system seems to provide a tight grip on my head, but it doesn't cause any headaches, even with prolonged use. It works superbly together with the padding. I installed my comms wire through the interior, and I love that there was still plenty of room left for comfortable wear. The best part of this helmet is the little knob in the rear, as it allows me to make fine adjustments to loosen or tighten the helmet. It also comes with a wallet multi-tool and free patches, so what's there not to like? Fortunately, the patches came out nice and stayed secured on the helmet. The chin strap fits perfectly on me as it wraps my chin on both sides. This helmet is as lightweight as my old Top Gentle helmet, making it easier for my neck when using it for long hours. Best of all, the ABS shell feels very durable, and it can withstand any bumps and falls during a mission. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.